bunnies. And you know, this whole day is all about crafting. And as you know, I always work the crafting days because I find I learn so much. And as I said earlier, I love things that are handmade. You know, when I was a kid, you know, my grandmother made sweaters and things like that. My aunts all were like cooks, and they made things homemade. So crafting is kind of off that. Stephanie Barnard is with us right now, and you bring us really a choice of either or, but I think you should get both.
Yes, you have to kind of get both. Yeah. It's kind of like a requirement. Just so you know.
It's our Stamps of Life birthday or Christmas card making kit. I have news for you, gang. You more than likely are going to be running into both those occasions in your life in some form or another, several times. So what you're getting is 2 complete kits, and you can buy them, like we said, buy them separately, $26.95 each. You choose either birthday party or Christmas kit. Everything you need for a festive birthday celebration or to be able to celebrate your holiday occasions as well. Decorations, invitations, cards, stamps, dies, pattern papers, embellishments. You get everything you need.
Yes, absolutely. You get everything. So should we kind of go over what they get first? And then do you want to go over that first?
Yeah, go ahead. I'll stand right there and you go
what you're going to get is you're going to get a die set. This is the birthday set and this is the Christmas set.
Okay.
And the birthday set is really fun because it's a birthday hat, and this is what it looks like when it's all done. It opens and closes like a birthday hat. It could also open on the side as well. But you're getting the die set itself. You're getting the stamp set, which our stamps are quality, high quality, photopolymer, made in the United States stamps. You're getting 24 sheets of pattern paper that I designed for the Stamps of Life. You're getting some fun little gemstone rhinestones because, you know, life is always better with rhinestones and fun things like that. Enough to make endless cards because the dies and the stamps never wear out, so you're always going to be using them. And then moving on to the Christmas card, now we're looking at the tree. Now the tree has some fun dies to decorate that tree. You're going to have a lot of options on dies. Look at the little ornaments, the little strings. You can make the little lights on there. Then we have the stamp set, which again, high quality photopolymer, made in the United States stamps. You're getting the fun epoxies to decorate your Christmas tree, the storage envelope, and then again, 24 sheets of double-sided, printed in the USA cardstock. And when I say cardstock, this really is because listen to this. That is one sheet. This is heavy-duty, nice cardstock printed on both sides. Everything goes together. Now, what is this and why do we need it? The most important thing to know, and card makers, as card makers, we all know, the most important thing is being an A2 size card, right? We need our cards to be standard card size. A2, 4 1/4 by 5 1/2. We all know that as card makers, it has to fit in a standard envelope. Well, what I've done is I have taken old technology and made it new. And what have I done? I have taken these dies, and on the back of these dies, it says place fold here or place fold here. Well, that is going to tell us when we're at home to take our cardstock, fold it in half. That's the hardest part, okay? Folding your cardstock in half. And then going to your die cut machine and literally taking that fold and placing that fold right where it says. So if I want it on the edge, so I don't have any guesswork. It tells me what to do. So I'm going to place the fold right there. I'm going to put my cutting pad down, and I'm cutting 2 pieces of cardstock at the same time. I'm running this through. Now, another thing to note is you can also cut foam. You can also cut wool felt as well out of these. So now what I have is I have my cute little party hat.
Look at that.
Look at that. Opens and closes.
And there's the fold that we
There's my fold that I did. I could have also done it on the side as well. Then to finish this off, I've added already all of these fun embellishing dies. So they come with all of these fun little pieces. I could have added some little dots in there if I wanted to. I'm just going to add some quick adhesive that just isn't going to happen today on live TV. And we're going to lay that on top. And then we have our perfect card. Now, to finish this off, what I can do is let's add some little rhinestones, because you can never go wrong with rhinestones.
And then you get these, right?
You get these in the kit, absolutely.
Rhinestones.
Yes, they are sticky, so we're just going to add those on. But there is my cute little adorable card. Isn't that adorable? So simple. Now, anybody can do this. This is for anybody. Now, the best part again, A2 in size. Now, card making. Yes, we need it for card making, but scrapbooking, perfect on a 12 by 12 layout, 8.5 by 11 layout. I even had a sample up here of a smaller version of a layout, because you can fit this on any size layout. Also, and I know we can try to get in the front, we have a cute little fun banner hanging down there, which is fantastic for party decorations, or a cake topper, or a little cupcake topper.
Come down lower.
All the way in the front. It's hanging down there.
We want to show you the banner.
Kristen made a cute banner. There it is. Isn't the banner adorable? Oh my gosh. Kristen made that. We have to show that off.
And you'd say that, use that over and over and over again.
Oh yeah, you would. Now, can you imagine when your child comes home from school and it's their birthday and you bring that and you have that on the front door? Or you have, it's the possibilities.
And you're not going to find anything like that out there. There's so much detail.
And you can match the colors to the party. So what if you're having a red and black party? Well, you change the colors of the party hat. Sure. It's so simple. And here it is on an actual card base itself. So you can also adhere it to a card base as well if you want to. And I have some more fun samples to show you.
And these are all birthday, by the way.
These are all birthday, but you could
We'll switch into Christmas.
Yes, let's move into Christmas in just a second. Because and here's it on the side. So we have options of opening it on the side.
That to me shows like creativity and fun.
Fun. And different toppers. We have different toppers to add on. Now let's move into Christmas because we have some fun Christmas samples to share with you. So here's one of my favorites with the cute little mouse. Isn't he cute? And open and close, you can stamp. And don't forget, this comes with the stamps as well. So you're not just limited just to the dies, because you also have the stamps to use on other projects, to use on other card making supplies, things that you have. There we go. And all the pattern paper is coming in the kit as well. 24 sheets, double sided.
Everything that you need.
Everything you need.
And I love that you do that too. Bring everything in so it's like, okay, I have what I need to make all these pretty cards, and you can add, obviously, anything that you already have to the existing designs. But you really do get a lot. And as we said before, if you're on the fence, I would get both. The discount is a good discount today. Remember, today everything is on 4Flex, and it's only $5 to ship everything. So even though you see shipping on all these different items, some you do, some you don't, but once it adds up to $5, you don't pay anything extra. You're good to go out of the kit. And what Stephanie's brought us today is a great way to get you started. And I love, if you can just do one, go for it. You'll always have these ready when an occasion comes up. Wonderful job. Thank you so much. I know it goes by too quick, but grab it when you can. It's 080932. Thanks again, Stephanie. One more reminder again, don't forget 4Flex on everything, and only $5 to ship all your stuff.